All right, so we're out here. We got the brand new AlphaRex Nova series for the Cat Eye Duramax. This truck's what, a 05? 05. 05. We're fitting up these Novas. And man, they're bright. So we got these going in. We're taking out the eBay specials on this side, which are good lights, but you can't aim them. To being so tall, it's not working. You just can't beat the look of these nice AlphaRexes. These just came out, just released. Got them on pre-order. Pretty easy to set in. A lot of wires. Still got to figure out the wiring. But man, these are beautiful lights. Super bright, even in the daytime. And they're going to look mean on this truck. Up close, you can see, this is the left side. Beautiful black color. Like, it's just such high quality, man. These are awesome. 3 bulbs, or 3 LEDs. Adjustment screw, factory gap hider. AlphaRex. A lot of wiring. A lot of resistors and ballast, maybe. Not sure. Gonna put these in, get them all adjusted. But man, they clean up the look of this truck. So nice. So we'll do some before, afters, or I guess just afters. But man, these are super clean. And just came out for these Duramaxes. Alright, so I don't know if you can hear me over the truck. Duramax is running. But this is low beams on. You can see in the garage, that's one of the low beams on. If I stand in front of this one, so you can't see it, you can't tell it's barely on. Now, it's one low beam. Frank hits the high beams. That's dramatically brighter. And again, compared to this one, there's a little speck on that wall, but huge difference it's gonna make. Really nice lights. And so we put this in and plugged it all up, and we found this extra plug. We gotta take it back out. You connect these little 2 plugs in. This is what, the marker light?
Yeah.
So we're gonna see what happens when we hook up those 2, because it works without it hooked up. You get the startup sequence and everything, but I don't know what that light does. So we're gonna take it back apart and try. But there's turn signal, and why these guys, those are boost auto mirrors, right? Yeah, boost auto mirrors tied together, all sequential. It's so nice. All right, go off and back on with the lights. There's the running lights, off, and there's the startup. Wow, that's so nice, and way brighter. So we're gonna put the other set in, but so far, clearly worth the money. Bolts right up with the stock bolts. Sits in there, looks really factory. The gap, we fixed the gap with his aftermarket grill. It looks really good. You can't see it, but there you go. This thing's awesome. So yeah, we're gonna hook up the other set and take some sweet videos and pictures. But this is 05 Duramax LLM, is that what it is? LLY. On some blue powder. Very clean for Ohio for 2005. So we're gonna do the other side, clean up some of this wiring from the old lights, and we'll see what happens when we fix that, or plug those 2 wires together in the bottom light, see what the difference is. But so far, these things are killer. All right, so we pulled these 2 lights out. Gonna pull all these old bulbs, and then we have the high beams, low beam connectors, right? And we'll just swap those in. Low beam, high beam, yep. And then that's it, right? It's all plug and play. And we'll just see what that extra little plug on the marker light does. But super simple install. I'll have this thing looking brand new. 15 years newer. Okay, so we got them all hooked up. Real simple plug and play on the markers. And then that's the one that goes up to the top light. So that'll have a little wire that comes up there. And you can see this is the wire I was talking about that we plugged into itself. And it's going to get tucked down there when you plug it in. And he's just going to click those in just like normal headlights. And we'll clip the... there you go. Always tricky. But it's just like putting in normal headlight bulbs. Just click those in. I believe they work only one way. Or do you?
Yeah, they're only one way.
Alright, so we'll have to test them and make sure they clip in correctly. But very straightforward. So we'll get this finished up and then I'll jump back with you. Okay, so we just got these hooked up, and this is the one where we connected those two gray wires, and this is the one where they're not connected. So on this truck, the mirrors and the daytime running lights are going to be white. So we're going to take that back out and unhook it. But that's what that little plug does, is if you wanted a whole amber setup and you know that matched your truck better, that's what that does. So very cool that that does that. But or is there one on the top? I wonder if you could make the top orange too.
There might be. There's a...
So this is the same setup, low beam, high beam,
spot
and
here
plug to the bottom.
Might have it inside.
So I wonder if you could pull that out.
Yep. One of these might.
If it's, oh, that might be.
That turns it off.
Okay, that's power.
And this one.
Nothing. Well, it's still white. Huh. Well, we don't have to mess with it because we're going with the white setup. But interesting. Interesting setup. I wonder if one of those plugs, any of these extra.
Probably one of those resistors.
Yeah. So, neat setup. Like I said, we're figuring this out because we didn't get instructions with these. So, we're going to pull that bottom one back out and unplug that wire because we're going all white to match the tow mirrors. Because the tow mirrors are white running and then orange turn signal, and they're sequential. So, we're going to get this finished up and we'll do some final shots. Cool. Okay, go ahead. Oh, dude. That's so sick. There you go. Startup sequence. There's turns. Or that's hazards, yeah. All sequential. And dude, it matches perfectly with the tow mirrors. Here, come look at it. These are so nice.
Oh, yeah.
All right, got all the lights installed, all wired up, ready to go. Stuck the resistors in. We're good to go. So this is what happens when we hit the unlock button. Look at that. Fancy. Hell yeah. You see the mirrors flash too? This thing is sick. It's awesome. This truck looks killer with these lights.